Hey everybody, I just got this really cool KMF-1 multi-effects pedal from Flatsons, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing and demo for you. I've never seen this pedal before. I'm really excited. This one seems really straightforward. It's got this nice solid construction. It's got an expression pedal here, and then looks like a little digital interface here with some buttons. Okay, there's a power cord right there. It looks like there's even a USB in. Perhaps it can run on USB power. I will test that out later. And then an input and an output for headphones. It's a 1/4-inch jack, so you could use it for, obviously, to go to your amplifier or to headphones. All right, we are all plugged in. The pedal is fired up. This is the starting screen. It says Starman 10. I am also playing through this adorable little Flatsons practice amp. Makes a ton of noise. It's great for its size. It's just amazing how loud it is. And it's gonna be more than adequate to test out this pedal. Let's go ahead and see what it sounds like straight out of the box. All right, so it sounds like we got a little bit of That's great. So I can adjust that by turning which knob? Aha. So Starman looks like it's effect number 10, and that looks like the first effect. If I go up, it goes to 11. If I go down, it goes to 59. So I'm thinking there might be a setting where the first 10 in the bank are custom settings. That's what I'm assuming. You can also go through the different banks quickly by pushing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these seem to be different banks of sound. So Starman is that. Bohemian. Okay, it's got a little movement to it. Smells like, I'm guessing this is gonna be a grunge. That's a really nice distortion kind of grunge sound. I like that. Voodoo. Oh, it also looks like on this interface here, you can choose whether this pedal functions as a volume or as an expression wah pedal. And that changes based on the effect that you're choosing. I really like that. There's a master volume at 4. Okay. Starting to figure this out. It's really, again, I've never seen this before. I just plugged it in. Really easy to learn. Come As You Are. Another Nirvana reference. Oh, and here, this one's just called Nirvana. That's really cool. Don't Cry. So anyway, I'm just still in the first bank of 10. If you jump to the next, Superstition. So it's got about kind of a funky vibe. So I don't have to go through all of them, but what I'm hearing so far, Gent. There's some really nice, really authentic sounding effects in here. And they all seem to be named after, a lot of them seem to be named after famous songs, famous artists. All right, let's try this drum machine. I'm gonna turn down the volume on my guitar. So drum, so right away it gives you a little picture of a drum. It starts off in 4/4 at 120 beats per minute. And let's see, okay. And this is more of a metronome. And start and stop is really easy with these here. Let's see what happens if I, oh, okay, drum machine. There we go. Now I can go to rock standard. So for all of these, you have volume control, you have beats per minute, which you can change on the fly. And then this is all the different beats. Okay, so it looks like this first category is it takes you blues, metal, funk, pop, and then number 2, the 2 knob, you go through all the different rhythms in that bank. So a lot of really cool, very customizable beats for you to play along with. The looper is typically one of the more intimidating situations, and I am definitely not a loop guy, but I'm gonna see what I can do here. Okay, so I'm not a great guitar player and I'm definitely not a great looper, but I want to try out the loop setting. So I found an effect that I like. I'm over here on the looper now. It looks very intuitive. This is to start the loop and to presumably add new layers on top, and this is to stop. Looks like you have about 30 seconds. So I'm going to give it a shot straight out of the box, see how it goes. It's really cool, and I think one of my main concerns with loopers is that the sound quality diminishes as soon as you start to loop, but this has a lot of integrity. It sounded just like I played it in when I repeated it. Again, with looping, it's all about the timing, and it's all about having a basic skill set for guitar, which I clearly don't have, but you could hear how easy it was. If you are in the market for a very affordable entry-level pedal, I highly recommend checking out this Flatsons KMF-1. You can have a lot of fun with it. So thank you, Flatsons, for sending this to me in exchange for my honest review and a little demo. I just can't recommend this highly enough. At this price point, you can't go wrong.